Hi everyone, it's your girl Hunchovb VB. I hope everyone is having a good day. Well, I'm going to fix a piece of salmon. Haven't had any salmon in a while, so I thought I'd bring you along with me. I'm going to make some lemon pepper salmon in the air fryer. Okay, so I have just one piece of salmon that I have cleaned and patted dry. Okay, I'm going to use a little avocado oil and spritz it. I'm going to use squirt some lemon over the top. I'm going to use some lemon pepper seasoning. So you want to do both sides. And I like to add a little sweetness to my salmon. So I just have just a little bit of brown sugar that I'm going to sprinkle on top. And I'm going to top it off with a pat of butter. You can use any kind of butter that you want. I just happen to like Kerrygold. So as your salmon cooks, then this nice creamy butter will cook down into your salmon. Okay, so now let's get this over into the air fryer. I'm going to put a piece of parchment paper in the air fryer and then put the salmon. Okay, I preheated the air fryer, and see, I already put the salmon inside the air fryer over a piece of parchment paper. Okay, off to the air fryer we go. Okay, so the salmon is in the air fryer. I'm going to and I did preheat the air fryer. I'm going to set it at 400 for 8 minutes. Be right back. Okay guys, this is the piece of salmon. I'm sorry now I only fixed one piece of fish. Oh my goodness. You see how it's glistening? Oh wow. Okay, let's taste this. And mind you, only 8 minutes. This is the kind of flakiness that you want to get. You don't want your fish dry, see? See how it's still moist? Look at that. See? Nice and moist. Okay, here goes. Melts in your mouth. Goodness. Guys, you gotta try your salmon with a little bit of brown sugar. You don't know what you're missing until you try it. Okay, this is a wrap. I'm going to fix my salad and have salad with my salmon. So guys, please like, comment, and share. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace.